During World War II, the Scorched Earth Policy implemented by Soviet forces in 1941 exemplified a strategic tactic of devastation and denial. As German forces advanced deeper into Soviet territory during Operation Barbarossa, Soviet leadership under Joseph Stalin ordered the systematic destruction of infrastructure, resources, and agricultural assets. This policy aimed to deprive the invading German army of essential supplies, hinder their logistical capabilities, and render conquered territories less advantageous to occupy. Key elements of the Scorched Earth Policy included the destruction of factories, railroads, bridges, and communication lines, as well as the burning of crops and livestock. The implementation of the Scorched Earth Policy led to severe hardship for both civilians and soldiers alike. It caused widespread famine and deprivation among the local population, exacerbating the already dire conditions of war. The deliberate destruction of infrastructure and resources further hindered the German war effort, forcing them to divert significant resources to rebuilding and sustaining their advance. Ultimately, while the Scorched Earth Policy contributed to the Soviet Union's ability to resist and eventually repel the German invasion, it also left a lasting legacy of devastation and suffering across the affected regions. Underscoring the extreme measures taken in the fight against Nazi aggression during World War II,